Ethereum value equivalent to $3,798.14 a coin. The present exchanged cost range, $3D $545.21, $3D $945.85. The earlier day close, $3 $736.33. The change was plus 61.81, plus 165%. Opposite rate, US to ETH. Dollar to Ethereum estimate for August 2024. First and foremost cost at 204 coins. Exorbitant cost 211, while lows at 184. They found the middle value of cost to 99. The US to ETH estimate toward the month's ends on 196. Change for August 39%. US to ETH expectation for September 2024. Before all else costed 196 coins. Excessive costs over 196, while lows are 158. They arrived at the midpoint of costs on 180. The US to ETH figure toward the month's ends are 169. Change for September 13.8%. Dollar to Ethereum figure for October 2024. At the outset cost at 169 coins. Excessive costs are 182, while lows are 158. They arrived at the midpoint of costs on 170. The US to ETH conjecture toward the month's ends on 169. Change for October 0%. US to ETH expectation for November 2024. At the outset cost at 169 coins. Excessive costs are 169, while lows on 141. They arrived at the midpoint of costs on 158. The US to ETH conjecture toward the month's ends on 151. Change for November 10.7%. Dollar to Ethereum conjecture for December 2024. Initially costed 151 coins. Excessive costs on 151, while lows to 125. They arrived at the midpoint of costs on 140. The US to ETH figure toward the month's ends on 134. Change for December 11.3%. US to ETH expectation for January 2025. Initially costed 134 coins. Excessive costs are 134, while lows are 115. They arrived at the midpoint of costs on 27. The US to ETH figure toward the month's ends on 123. Change for January 8.2%. Dollar to Ethereum estimate for February 2025. To start with cost at 123 coins. Exorbitant costs are 130, while lows to 113. They found the middle value of costs to 122. The US to ETH estimate toward the month's ends on 21. Change for February 16%. US to ETH expectation for Walk 2025. To start with cost at 121 coins. Exorbitant costs are 127, while lows at 110. They found the middle value of costs on 119. The US to ETH gauge toward the month's ends on 118. Change for spring 25%. Dollar to Ethereum gauge for April 2025. To start with cost at 118 coins. Exorbitant costs on 126, while lows are 109. They found the middle value of costs on 118. The US to ETH gauge toward the month's ends on 117. Change for April's on 8%. US to ETH expectation for May 2025. At the outset cost at 117 coins. Excessive costs are 122, while lows are 106. They arrived at the midpoint of costs on 115. The US to ETH figured toward the month's ends on 113. Change for May 3.4%. Dollar to Ethereum figure for June 2025. Initially cost at 113 coins. Excessive costs are 121, while lows are 106. They arrived at the midpoint of costs at 113. The US to ETH figure toward the month's ends on 113. Change for June 0%. US to ETH expectation for July 2025. To start with cost at 113 coins. Exorbitant costs are 118, while lows are 103. They found the middle value of costs on 111. The US to ETH estimate toward the month's ends at 110. Change for July 7%. Dollar to Ethereum estimate for August 2025. To start with cost at 110 coins. Exorbitant cost to 110, while lows are 90. They found the middle value of cost to 102. The US to ETH estimate toward the month's ends are 97. Change for August 11.8%. US to ETH expectation for September 2025. In the first place cost at 0.97 coins. Exorbitant costs are 103, while lows are 89. They found the middle value of cost or 96. The US to ETH gauge toward the month's end 0.96. Change for September 10%. Dollar to Ethereum gauge for October 2025. In the first place, cost at 0.96 coins. Exorbitant costs for 96, while lows are 77. Found the middle value of cost on 88. The US to ETH conjecture toward the month's end on 82. Change for October 14.6%. US to ETH expectation for November 2025. At the outset, cost at 0.82 coins. Excessive costs are 96, while lows end 82. The arrived at the midpoint of cost 0.87. The US to ETH conjecture toward the month's ends on 89. Change for November 8.5%. Dollar to Ethereum gauge for December 2025. In the first place, cost at 0.89 coins. Exorbitant costs on 114, while lows on 89. Found the middle value of cost on 100. The US to ETH gauge toward the month's ends on 106. Change for December 19, 1%. US to ETH expectation for January 2026. To start with, cost at 106 coins. Exorbitant costs are 106, while lows on 85. Found the middle value of cost on 97. The US to ETH gauge toward the month's ends on 91. Change for January 14, 2%. Dollar to Ethereum gauge for February 2026. In the first place, cost at 0.91 coins. Exorbitant costs on 115, while lows on 91. Found the middle value of cost 101. The US to ETH gauge toward the month's ends on 7. Change for February 17.6%. US to ETH expectation for Walk 2026. First and foremost, cost at 107 coins. Exorbitant costs are 124, while lows are 107. Found the middle value of costs on 114. The US to ETH estimate toward the month's ends on 116. Change for spring 84%. Dollar to Ethereum estimate for April 2026. First and foremost, cost at 116 coins. Excessive costs only added 16, while lows on 93. The arrived at the midpoint of costs on 106. The US to ETH figure toward the month's ends on 100. Change for April 13.8%. US to ETH expectation for May 2026. To start with, cost at 0.100 coins. Exorbitant costs are 128, while lows are 100. Found the middle value of cost of 112. The US to ETH estimate toward the month's ends on 19. Change for May 19%. Dollar to Ethereum estimate for June 2026. Before all else, cost at 119 coins. Excessive costs are 152, while lows are 119. The arrived at the midpoint of costs are 133. The US to ETH conjecture toward the month's ends on 941. Change for June 18.5%. US to ETH expectation